I will show you the half cross basic. It is a stylish basic for women who are checked and they want to go back with style. So it is on basic, we can train like this. 1, 2, 3, 5. I cross, go back, join, and 5, 6, 7. Easy. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross, back, join, 5, 6, 7. On this side, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, go back, join, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From this side. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very useful shine.